sushi enthusiasts. Today, we come together for a feast filled with seafood delights. Are you ready to explore the intricacies of sushi making? The preparation of sushi rice lays the foundation for a delicious sushi experience. Achieving perfect texture and flavor involves washing the rice, soaking it in water, and seasoning it with sushi vinegar. The assembly of sushi rolls allows you to unleash your creativity. Enrich your sushi rolls with seafood, vegetables, and other garnishes to create visually stunning and flavorful sushi rolls. The assembly of sushi rolls allows you to unleash your creativity. Enrich your sushi rolls with seafood, vegetables, and other garnishes to create visually stunning and flavorful sushi rolls. It's time to savor the sushi feast. Share this delicious and healthy meal with your loved ones to fully enjoy the experience. Here's to the flavorful world of a seafood-enriched feast. I hope this video has inspired you to try your hand at sushi making in the comfort of your own home. Now, you can try this delicious recipe and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bon appetit!